guys, what's up? It's me, Riley, and welcome back to my channel. So today I got my Christmas mystery fidget toy package from Mrs. Bench. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for like so long. But before I say it, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on posts and share it to your friends. But yeah, let's get into it. So, okay. So it has, thank you so much for ordering. I hope you like this package. Then it comes with this little guide. I have these in my school. I call one a desk pet. Well, they call one a desk pet. So, it's a little kangaroo, and it has little. Yeah, it's okay. But now let's open the. So first thing that I see is this pocket. It has a little chain. This is the quiet side. It's pretty loud, and then this is the loud side. This pocket is seriously so good. And then this is keep dropping everything. Is this like a mochi? Like it's a Santa mochi, I think. Yeah, that's really good. And we have a stocking one. Really good. And then it's a Christmas tree poppet. That is so good. And then this Christmas tree symbol. This pack is like so good. So this was my first time ever ordering a Fidget toy. So, and this is like probably the best one. So let's go over what we got. So got 2 mochis, this poppet, and this simple dimple, and this poppet. The poppet and the mochis have to be my favorite thing. Oh, and can't forget about this little guy. But I hope you guys will like this video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Bye.